Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change Twitter username. So let's begin. First click on this more option. Then click here setting and support option. Then click here setting and privacy option. Then click here account information. Then enter your password. After entering your password, click here. Then click on username. Now you can see you can choose any username from here, or you can simply type username of your choice. So I am typing username of my choice. Let's type this. See, after typing username, click save button and your username has been changed. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel.